What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Holo Ai. So Holo AI is a type of AI chatbot assistant that uses generative AI to simulate conversations. What sets it apart is its focus on immersive, personalized interactions, like chatting with an AI friend or character rather than just asking brief questions. Some key purposes include friendly conversations, personalized help, role-play style interactions, and creative storytelling companions. It's not just a standard question-answer bot, it's designed to feel more like a living digital persona. Holo AI feels more like talking to a real person than a typical chatbot. It adapts responses based on context and memory, which helps continuity over longer chats. You can often customize the AI's personality, set favorite topics, name your AI assistant, and choose styles like friendly, professional, playful, etc. This makes the experience feel more personal, and it's great for storytelling, roleplay, brainstorming ideas, and casual conversation when you want more than just a straight answer. It's less robotic and more social. But on the other hand, while some basic chatting might be free, many advanced features like longer memory, customization, or priority access may need a subscription. This means free use can feel limited compared to paid plans. And also because it is trained for conversation quality, it sometimes makes up information, exaggerates facts, and responds creatively instead of precisely. This is common with AI designed for chat experience rather than strict fact-based accuracy. And if you're looking for serious analytical tools like data, coding, or research, other LLM tools like ChatGPT or Claude might be better suited. Holo AI is more about experience than technical utility. Overall, Holo AI is a fun, engaging, personalized conversational AI that shines for social and creative interactions. It may not replace professional AI tools for productivity-heavy tasks, but for casual, interactive sessions, it's one of the most pleasant experiences out there. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.